In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart footnote numbers in Microsoft Word on both PC and Mac. This is a very useful feature when you are working with long documents, reports, or multi-chapter projects, and you want each section or chapter to start footnote numbering from 1 instead of continuing from the previous section. First, open your Microsoft Word document that contains footnotes. If you haven't added footnotes yet, simply place your cursor where you want to insert one, then go to the References tab and click on Insert Footnote. Word will automatically add the first footnote for you. Next, navigate to the References tab in the ribbon at the top of Word. In the Footnotes group, you'll notice a small arrow in the bottom right corner. Click this arrow to open the Footnote and EndNote dialog box. This box contains all the settings for your footnotes, including numbering, format, and location. Now, look for the Numbering section. By default, footnotes are numbered continuously throughout the entire document. To restart numbering for each section, select the option that says Restart each section. This will reset the footnote numbers to 1 at the start of each section. If your document doesn't already have sections, you will need to create them. To do this, go to the Layout or Page Layout tab, click on Breaks, and select Next Page under Section Breaks. This ensures that each section is treated as a separate unit where footnote numbering can restart. Once you've selected Restart each section, click Apply. You will notice that the footnotes in each section now start from 1 instead of continuing the numbering from the previous section. You can also change the number format, like Roman numerals or letters, to differentiate footnotes in different sections. Finally, review your document to make sure the footnote numbers are restarting correctly at the beginning of each section. This method works on both PC and Mac versions of Microsoft Word and is very helpful for professional reports, academic papers, and multi-chapter documents. Using these steps, you can keep your footnotes organized and clear, making your document look polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.